Unboxing the AMP RGBCW LED wall wash light bar, a powerful 75-watt fixture designed for seamless, vibrant illumination. Perfect for signage, building facades, and outdoor landscapes, this low-voltage solution delivers a uniform wash of color-changing light with energy-efficient performance. Its 180-degree rotatable design allows for both uplighting and downlighting, while the durable IP65 rated aluminum construction ensures all-weather reliability. The included glare guard enhances visibility, and adjustable legs provide flexible mounting on hardscapes of any size. Easily control colors and dimming with the AMP RGBCW RF remote control, sold separately. For proper installation, wire directly into the transformer to prevent overloading. With UL certification and hassle-free 5-year warranty, the AMP RGBCW wall wash light bar is a durable and versatile solution for professional outdoor lighting projects.